Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to teach you on how to view your Amazon chat history. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, make sure that you are logged into your Amazon account. And then, on the top right of your screen, click on this button right here. Now, we're going to scroll down until we see this icon which says Customer Service. Next, we're going to click on Something Else. On all the available options, we're going to choose I need more help. This will give us two options of either to chat with us or request a phone call. Click on Start Chatting Now. We'll be given two options from here. We can either continue our previous chat or start a new chat. So, that's it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. So, see you in the next video. Bye!